What's good, my YouTube family? It's your man Danny signing in, checking in for tonight's version of Forex Trading with Danny. Definitely just want to take a look at the charts with you all. Anybody who might be interested in Forex, foreign exchange, investing in yourself. If you want to see if you can make a little profit, definitely a great avenue. I'm talking about a multi-trillion dollar a day industry, and if you're anything, or if you're anything like me or whatnot, man, shoot, you don't need too big of a slice of that, to be pretty good, well off for yourself. But basically, we're just gonna take a look at the my most recent trade that I was in, and do some chart analysis, check out what I'm looking to get into in the future, so future setups and stuff like that. So without further ado, man, I'm gonna pull up my chart. And as a disclaimer, anytime you're dealing with investing, Forex, foreign exchange, currency trading, there definitely is a risk of loss. So you can't necessarily foretell future profits off of past performances. So make sure you do your due diligence. If you're considering getting to Forex, make sure you're on point and ready, and prepared to possibly lose if necessary, but also win if you take the diligent steps. But this is my chart for anyone who was tuning in yesterday. Hang on, let me do something real quick. Let me do something real quick on my end so that I can show you all this trade. That I was in, so kind of help visualize it a little bit better. Let's see, I'm almost done. Okay, boom. All right. So here was the trade that I got into, and I was in a sale. It went with my strategy. The candles, again, these are candles, and I trade on the 4-hour chart. So each one of these candles represents 4 hours of time. So I got a signal to get into a sell. Again, a sell is if you're anticipating for the market to go down. So in, like, say for instance, these situations where it's trending down, you would want to be in a sell because you're anticipating that the market is going to continue to go down, as opposed to getting into a buy, which is you're anticipating the prices to go up, like you see here. And again, with Forex, again, I might be talking over some people's heads. This isn't intended to be a beginner's guide to Forex. I'm kind of just giving high-level view information right here. But when it comes to Forex, you have two different currencies that are going against each other. And in this case, I'm looking at Great Britain pound versus the United States dollar. So anytime the pound is more valuable than the dollar, then you'll see the market move up. In the instance of right here, you're seeing it going up, up, up. Versus if the dollar is stronger than the Great Britain pound, you'll see it make moves to go down, down. Like you see here, down, down. So in these times, like right now, currently, the United States dollar is more valuable than the Great Britain pound. All right. So with that being said, I according to my strategy, I got into a sell. I was anticipating that the market was going to continue to go down, according to my strategy. And what happened was the market decided to change the trend. So I got into the trade here. I set a stop loss here. Well, it was around here because I ended up nudging up just a little bit. But basically, a stop loss is like the most you're willing to lose in a particular trade. And when you get into a trade, depending on your entry, you're looking to, optimize your risk management. You want to, not risk so much, but yet you want your reward to be 2, 3, or more times as much as you're risking. So I set my stop loss here, and I was just riding the wave to see if it was going to respect the trend. So anytime it's trending, say for instance, if it's downtrending like this right here, it's going to set lower highs. So these little marks right here indicate a high. So that high, you need to get this high. So that's lower than this one. So that's indicating that you're in a downtrend. Just like here and here, this one is lower than that one. So this was a downtrend. That's what my analysis conveyed. So what happened is the market changed. So it's looking like the market is changing, and it's going to go into an uptrend now. So when the price changed, it hit my stop loss, and it took me out of the trade. So one, it wasn't a bad trade to take because it lined up with my strategy. The price got under the moving averages. It was looking like a strong downtrend that was going to continue on, but it went opposite, which is no biggie because there definitely will be God willing more opportunities in the future, God willing. But the only thing that I really kind of I'm upset about myself is I should have probably got out of it quicker. Like for instance, when this price got above this moving average here, I should have got out here versus getting out here. Like as soon as I saw this, I should have just got out of the trade. But I was hedging that it was going to respect this high here and was going to continue to go down, which it didn't. So that's something that I need to learn to be more consistent with and being more disciplined with. Is basically when it goes against my trade, when it goes opposite, just go ahead and get out of it and take a shorter loss than trying to hang in there and stick in there and turn out to lose more than I really have to. And I'm definitely looking to tighten that up. But as far as future analysis, the market could do one or two things here. It can truly change and go into an uptrend, and it can go ahead and go up. And what I'll be looking to do if it does is to get over this moving average. If it gets over this moving average here, I'm going to look to get into a buy. Versus if it gets pretty close and then comes back down and gets under this moving average here, then I'm going to look to get back in a sell. So the market can do, one or two things. Let me see. So it can either do something like that, or it might do something like this. Let me see. So it might go up, it might continue to go up, or it could do something like go up, then come back down. So it might come up, it might get pretty close to this line, and then come back down, and it might possibly come back down below this moving average. And if it does, I'll be looking to get in the sell. But if it goes up, up and up and up and up, and continues to go up and it gets above this moving average, then I'm going to be looking to get into a buy situation. So at the moment, I'm just kind of, figuratively, sitting on my hands and just, watching price and seeing which way it's going to lead me, and just wait on my next potential opportunity. But again, I took a loss, in my last trade. Definitely a learning lesson. I should have cut my loss shorter. But it's something I'm going to take with me and just look to be more consistent with. Just cut my losses shorter if it goes opposite. But, yeah, man. Again, if anybody's interested in, learning more about Forex, I'm open to coaching. My information is scrolling below. You can hit me up. My email right there, DannyGoodman03@gmail.com. You can hit me up on Instagram. Make sure y'all subscribe to the channel. Like this video. Comment, give me some feedback, and share, man. Yeah, man. This has been your boy with another banger. I'm gonna look to do these here. It's pretty often. I'm gonna try to do these. The evenings of from Sunday through maybe Thursday or something like that. Just kind of check out the charts. Let y'all see what I'm looking at, what I'm anticipating happening, or even y'all might see some live trades. But hit me up. I'll let your boy. Peace out.